All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Thursday adverbs. So, always, always, 100% of the time, always. I always write. They're always reading. I always have something to do. I'm always recording. Always, I'm always recording lessons. I'm always reading. Yes, reading. Always reading. How cool is that? All the time. Yeah. I always go to the gym. They always practice English. She always goes to Spain in the summer. He always goes to Mexico in the spring. It always opens when I go near it. It always works when I press this button. When I press this button, it works. It always works. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, I have always planned my next day. Yes, I have a list of things I need to do. So tomorrow is always planned, and I always know what I'm doing. How cool is that? I'm always working on my business. Well, it seems like I'm always working on my business. I'm just very focused, and I know my goals, and I impose deadlines for myself. How cool is that? I will always, yes, I will always be learning more things. Yes, I'm always learning new things about the world, psychology, science, and languages. Yes. Oh, and marketing, finance, marketing. Yeah, marketing, finance. Yes, always learning. Always, all the time. All the time, yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Whoops, let's change that. Yeah, all the time. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, always. Now, can you use always in a sentence? What are you always doing? What are you always doing? Yeah. And comment below and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me if you search English with Adrian on YouTube and Facebook and Telegram. You can also find me on Udemy if you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.